Let's first start by visiting the Univik vCard Converter official product page. You will see the free download button on the Univik vCard Converter webpage to get the software. On the product page, click on Download button, and you'll see a download animation appear in the top right corner of your browser, indicating the file is being downloaded. Once the download completes, install and launch the application, and you'll see the Univik vCard file viewer and converter interface open up. Now that we have the software running, let's move on to loading our first vCard file. You can see software has got language drop-down menu, which will allow you set the software interface in your own preferred language. Click the File Opening drop-down menu and select Browse File to locate your vCard file. In the file dialog that opens, navigate to and select your vCard file. In this case, we'll choose a sample VCF file and then click Open to proceed. The software will now load all the contacts from your VCF file, and you'll see them displayed in the interface. With your contacts successfully loaded, we can now move on to reviewing the individual contact details. Let's start exploring individual contacts by clicking on their names to view their details. Click on another contact to see a different contact details. Scroll down to review all of selected contact information. Head back up and select another contact from the contact list. Scroll through contact details. Notice how the application highlights the Note field, which contains additional information about this contact. Go back up and click on another contact to view its contact details. Scroll down through contact details. You'll see the Note field highlighted here as well, showing any special notes stored for this contact. For a more technical view, click on the Raw vCard tab. This shows the actual vCard data structure. You can highlight different sections to see how contact information is formatted in the vCard standard. Switch back to the Contact Details tab for the formatted view. Now that we've reviewed how to view individual contacts, let's move on to exporting these contacts to different formats. Let's export our contacts. Click on the Export button to get started. You'll see several export options available in the menu. Take a moment to browse through them to see what formats are supported. For this example, we'll select Export to vCard 4.0, which is the latest vCard format standard. In the Save dialog that appears, choose your destination folder and give your file a descriptive name. The software will now process your contacts and show you a detailed log of the export operation, displaying how many contacts are being converted. Once the export finishes, you'll see an Export Complete confirmation. Click OK to dismiss this dialog. To clean up the interface, click the Clear Log button to remove the export log entries. Finally, click back on the Contact Details tab to return to viewing your contact information. Next up, we'll explore how to export your contacts as a PDF address book for easy printing and sharing. Click the Export button once more to access additional export options. This time, select Export to PDF Address Book from the menu. This creates a printable address book format. In the Save dialog, choose your location and enter a file name for the HTML file that will be generated. The software will process all your contacts and display the export progress in the log area. Once the export is complete, you'll see a confirmation pop up. Click OK to acknowledge it. Finally, click the Contact Details tab to return to your main contact viewing interface. And that's how you use Univik vCard File Converter and Viewer to both view your contacts and export them in multiple formats. Whether you need modern vCard 4.0 files or printable address books, this tool makes managing your contact data simple and efficient.